Hello and welcome back. I am Adria and in today's video I am gonna show you how I shave my face. I have been growing up my hair for a month now for this video. Let's get started. So before you start shaving, it's really important to cleanse your face perfectly clean. If you feel little clogged, you can exfoliate and use a toner after. I have already cleansed my face and dried it out. So now we are good to go. Moving on, apply facial oil. Remember, the oil you use is absolutely non-comedogenic because we don't want it to clog our pores. We just want it to act as an aid to the razor so that it can glide on our face easier. And now grab the razor. There are three main steps you should follow. Number one is use the opposite hand and gently lift the skin up so you have a smooth hair base. And number two, hold your shaver out of 45-degree angle and not pointed. Number three, shave in a downwards motion, and once you do so, you should be good to go. Be careful not to cut yourself as the tip of the razor is kind of blunt. Make sure you are holding at 45-degree angle and not pointing and shaving. The most common questions about face shaving I get asked is if it grows back thicker, and my answer is no. I have been doing this since 3 years now and it has grown out the exact same, and just love the process of dermaplaning. Skin actually appear more plump and bouncy. It looks brightened and smooth. It feels like a baby skin. It takes off all the dead skin cells, exfoliates your skin, lightens up dark areas, makes it look smooth and shinier naturally. Your makeup doesn't look cakey, and the list just goes on. I have cut myself initially with the tip of the razor. If you accidentally cut yourself, don't panic. You can finish off shaving your whole face clean and apply ice on it. No need to apply anything on the cut as it heals on its own. I don't have hair in this area, but you can shave like this if you have one. Be careful not to cut yourself when you get to the neck. You can lift your head and kind of look in the mirror if you can, or you can push your jawline back like a double chin gesture just to make sure it is flatter for the razor to glide on. Clean your face with rose water or witch hazel, and this is the final result. I totally recommend you guys just try it out. Let me know in the comment below how it goes for you all. Do like, share and subscribe. Keep pampering, and I'll see you soon.